In this video, we're going to be discussing how you can automate your blog with AI content. And one of the easiest ways to do this is using Hostinger's website builder. So this is a new tool that allows us to quickly build a website. So it does a lot of things for us, like creating some initial content, and it will automatically create blog posts, images, things like that. So you can see here from the features, there's quite a lot involved with this. We've got the website builder, we've got AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, SEO tools, and more. We can also integrate it with e-commerce. We have different things built in for marketing as well. So there's lots of useful tools built into this package. The basic idea here is that you fill out a little bit of information at the beginning and AI will build the website for you. Then after that, we can go and add additional content or change images, things like that. So all of this is done very intuitively, and it's probably one of the easiest ways that you can build a website right now. One of the biggest selling points of this is that you don't need to be a developer to build the website. So you've got things like drag and drop. You can customize fonts, colors, everything quite easily from the interface. So we'll walk through the process of checking out with this package, and then I will go through the process of building a website to show you how it works. We're looking at the 48-month plan right now. This is actually the best price if you take a longer plan. And we'll go through the process of choosing a payment method. So if you decide that you want to purchase this plan and build your own site on Hostinger, then make sure to use the link in the video description below. So that link is hostinger.com/DavidB, and that David B coupon will give you additional discount on your purchase. So make sure to use that link in the video description below if you want to do that. So now that we've signed into our account, we're going to set up this server. So let's go ahead and create a new website. And then we want to pick the Hostinger website builder. At this point, you can enter a domain name or you can skip and use a temporary domain. So I'm going to skip this for now. And now we've got this prompt to use AI to create the website. And we have to put in a brand name, a website type, and a description. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a pet cafe website. And this will be a blog. And I will fill out a very basic description of our website. So what is this business that we have that we are creating this website for? And in this case, I'm going to create this website about a pet cafe in New York. And we will use AI to generate this website based on this information. So as you can see now, it's working on creating the structure of the website, the content, things like that. And it will also pull in some images too, I believe, along with building blog posts and a number of other things. So let's wait for this to complete and see what the outcome is. And as you can see here, we're doing this in real time, and it has generated the website very quickly, actually. So this is loading right now. You can see that we've got this background image of this dog, and we've got this title and some intro text. We have 2 blog posts here with images, and we've got details about the blog. You can visit the actual blog section. We've got reviews, which is very nice, and there is a reserve form. I guess this leads to a form to make a reservation. We've got social media, we've got subscribe form at the bottom, and contact details. So overall, this is a pretty well-rounded website with almost no effort on my end to create this. So as you can see, we've got like the entire layout of the website has been handled for us. And we've even got some images here on the blog posts. We can browse through the navigation on the top right. We've got some images at the bottom. I guess this is like a gallery. If you click on these images, they should open in larger size. We've got this light box opening these in larger size. And we also have a contact form here at the bottom. So overall, like there are a lot of things that have been built into this for us. And we're on the About page, and if you scroll to the bottom, we've also got a location. So some details on location, operating hours, and on the right we have a map. So it looks like a Google map. So all of this is very, very nice. I think at this point, it's just a case of updating the information. You could actually use this as your entire website. Just simply update the contact information, update the location, things like that. But you can see here that there are steps for us to complete our website, and if you do that, you get additional discount. I think it is to promote launching the website quickly, so you get discounted web hosting. So this is pretty nice overall. I'm very impressed by this website builder. I think this is probably one of the easiest I've seen so far in terms of building a website. As you can see, we're only 5 minutes into this video and we already have a working website. So this is kind of amazing in itself. But when you think about how little information that I had to provide to create this, it was only like 50 words of text or something like that. So it's kind of very surprising to see how quickly and how well put together a website that can be built from such little information from the customer. The next step I want to do here is have a look at some of these AI tools. So on the left you have this AI tools section, and this is one of the big features of this website builder. We can use this to create blog content, to create additional pages and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and create an additional blog post, and I will create this content around approximately 800 to 1000 words. And we have to put in a description to say what this post is about, what this blog post is about. And I think for the case of this dummy website that I'm building, I will try to sell some of the benefits of why someone would visit a pet cafe. So I think that's a good reason to create a blog post to try and market to potential customers. So let's click this create button and see what happens. So it's creating our new blog post right now. So we have our new blog post and we've got this new title at the top. So this has created this title for us. We've got an image underneath, and then we have our main topic of this blog post, I guess. We have quite a lot of copy. Maybe I've used too many words for this, but you can see there is a lot of information here based around the topic. But it does seem to be pretty on point for what I was going for. Talking about the emotional benefits and health benefits of being around pets. Let's add an additional section at the bottom of this page. So I'm looking at the testimonials, and I think this is a good way to really sell the service to someone. We can have customer testimonials at the bottom of the page. So overall this is looking very good. We could add additional images and things here, but just gives us an idea of what's possible with the AI blog generator. So I'm going to create a second blog post. And this time I'll make it a little bit shorter. Let's go for the 300 to 500 words. So we now have a second blog post, and again we've got this image at the top. This is a different image, and so this is being pulled in from unsplash.com, I think. So this is a image that we do have the right to use on our website. So these are free images, stock images. So it's very nice. Let's add another additional section at the bottom, just like we did before. This time I think we can go for a gallery just to test that out. So we'll build a gallery into our page. It automatically has these images, but we can change these images. So we can add additional images. And we can use the free images on the right. So this is coming from Unsplash. So we'll search for a cat image. We've got all of these images for us free to use on our website. So it's very nice. Makes it very easy to add images to our pages. And we can delete all of the existing images because they're not very relevant for what we want. And we'll add some additional images. And I'm just going to repeat this process several times just to give you an example of how this might look at the end. So once you've got several images in here, we're going to close this down. And you can see that we've got this gallery layout. I'm going to change the format of this gallery. If you click on it, you can change it to masonry, which is a little bit neater in terms of layout. So I think this looks good. You could add more images here, of course, but this is enough for now. We're going to save this, and I'm going to click the Go Live button. So this will publish our website and we can see it in the browser. So let's do this, and our site is now live. Let's click this View Site link. And of course most of this has already been done for us using AI, but just to have a quick look at this in the browser. So this is how it actually looks when you click through on the website. So we have a blog page and a couple of articles there. You'll notice that our new blog posts are not here, and we're going to look at that now in a moment. But once we create blog posts, we actually need to publish them. So creating it is just creating a draft version initially. So if we go back and go to our blog, and on the bottom left of the navigation bar, you can see that we've got this draft next to them. So we want to click this status and make it public, so that's on the top of the page, and I'll do the same for the other blog post. I will make it public, and we'll save. This will automatically save anyway, but we can click the save button just to make sure. And once you make any changes, you also have to click the update website button. So this is what publishes the latest version to the live website. So you can make multiple changes, save it, but they won't appear until you click the update website button. So now you can see that we've got these new posts on the website. So this is our blog page. Click into it. We've got all of the information that we added in the previous step, and we've got the gallery at the bottom. And if you click on one of these images, it should load in a lightbox, and we can scroll through those images. So overall, very easy to set up, and none of this took any real work on our side, so it's very nice. So in this video, we've seen many ways in which we can use AI to build a website for us. And if you want to build your own website on Hostinger using the website builder with AI tools built into it, then make sure to take advantage of the link in the video description. So that's hostinger.com/DavidB, which will give you additional discount on your web hosting. So that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.